Someone else making their mark on the Yukon scene is Michele Genest. She is known as the Boreal Chef and has written several cookbooks on the subject. Michele tries to find new ways to cook with northern ingredients, and I was lucky enough to be invited to her house to try some moose terrine, which is a rough country pate.
So the bacon doesn't look cooked, but it is cooked. Everything cooked for 2 hours at a low temperature. So there's ground moose, pork fat, moose backstrap, which is a very luxurious cut of meat, and cranberries.
Wow.
A little bit of cognac for flavoring.
Wow.
I like cooking with booze. What do you like about it?
I think I like the texture.
Texture's great.
It's delicious, but it's really chewy. And it's just delicious. I don't know, I just like the texture. It's like really meaty and it feels good when you eat it. I know this may sound like a strange thing to say,
No,
but
it doesn't sound strange at all. I like the texture too, and I love the little bits of pork fat, especially since I know that this is a local pork that lived a happy life before it became the pork fat in our beautiful terrine. So I'm gonna have some with a little bit of high bush cranberry jam on it.
my time in the Yukon has been wonderful. I've so enjoyed the culinary scene. My belly is full with local ingredients, and I've enjoyed learning a lot about the history. But I think I could learn so much more, and I could do with a lot more time here.